How do you fire a personal injury lawyer if you feel like you've made the wrong decision? I'm attorney Ali Awad, the CEO lawyer, and unfortunately, this is a topic that comes up all too often. So today, I want to describe the 3 things that you should always be aware of if you've hired a lawyer and you think you need to switch. Firstly, attorneys cannot settle your personal injury case unless you agree to the specific amount. Whether they put that in writing or if they record their conversations with you, they must have proof that you agreed to settle the case. Sometimes you can agree to settle your case simply by signing the contract with the lawyer, so make sure that you read every single document before you sign it. Remember that no matter what the settlement is, you have to pay the attorney's fees and your medical bills from that settlement. So before you agree to any number, make sure that you ask the attorney how much you are going to keep after all the expenses are covered. If you don't agree with that number, then it might not be too late to switch. Number 2, if your case hasn't settled and the attorney decides to proceed with litigation, i.e. filing a lawsuit, then make sure that you are with the right attorney before your case goes into litigation. Lots of times, the moment an attorney files a lawsuit, they can enforce what's called a statutory lien or an attorney's lien on your case. By that point, it becomes much more difficult for a new attorney to step in because now the first attorney has enforced the lien. So, if you're unsure about the attorney that you've hired, remember, you don't need to accept the settlement that they bring to you, and you don't have to agree for them to file a lawsuit. If you've made sure of those 2 things, there's still a very good chance that you can switch your lawyer. And finally, number 3, time is of the essence. The sooner you fire your lawyer, the better. Whether that's me or anyone else, if you are not happy with your lawyer, then you must tell them upfront. Lots of times putting things in writing and communicating with your lawyer that, hey, I reached out to you multiple times and you're not responding. I called your assistant and they're not picking up the phone. I'm trying to reach you and you're not helping me. Having that paper trail proves that you have a legitimate reason to switch your lawyer. And I'll tell you this as a lawyer myself. If I'm not doing a great job for you, then I deserve to be fired and I don't deserve to have your case. I'm attorney Ali Awad, the CEO lawyer. I hope this video has shown you a little bit about how you can get rid of your lawyer if you feel like you made the wrong decision. If you have any questions about how much your case is worth, feel free to message me on Instagram or Facebook at CEO Lawyer or visit my website at ceolawyer.com.